ginger. So it makes me have not taken this. I'm coming with my testimony. It makes me have not taken this. So, and you know, I'm suffering from a chronic headache, a migraine headache, which I've been suffering from it like many years ago. Are you getting it? I've been suffering from this chronic headache many years ago, like over 15 years. And this chronic headache is in South Africa. And I visited a hospital, Parkland Hospital. This hospital is a very old hospital. It's one of the private hospitals that is very old and it's a very good hospital. Which during that time, I did a brain scan. You know, they placed me on a plate. And it's a very expensive hospital that even the white doctor said they have to do me an operation. You know, they will cut my vein here because you know, back headache, you know, chronic headache is like a migraine.
Yes, migraine.
It's a migraine. So headache that they said they will cut a vein here. I was so scared. I said, no, let me be managing that. So I keep on. So let me be managing the plate they gave me. So I was using a plate up here. But if that plate break, I have to go back to the hospital to start to get it. And yes, there's some time. So, and sometimes I just leave it, you know, and I'll keep on taking headache medicine. Before God and man, every day I am on drugs. Headache cure. Yes, yes. Every day before God and man, I am on headache cures. Until you told me about this, we were sitting in our night vigil. And I said, okay, I will see to it. But I was still drinking ginger. I don't want to
mix it.
Ginger, I will jump to this one. So until that my ginger remaining, it's about to finish, you know. And this my downline, that girl, I kept one small bottle and left. I kept it in my house. She called me, she said she needed this. I said, okay, I have one, it is at home. I came back, the spirit said, this is happening. And there's no day I don't take headache pill. Sometimes I take it 2 times. Every day. There is even the one I bought in Nigeria, when the one I have in abroad, I finished. I bought this, the card is there. I always buy the card of 5, 10, 800, sometimes 1K. So I take them too. So it eats me a lot of money. So no, I said, okay, the girl, I will bring it on Saturday. When I come home, I started battling with my spirit. I said, if I give this girl this, and I know I'm always busy person, ginger is very close to me. I'll go and pick it again. Still, it doesn't cure the headache. I still take the pills every day. And I'm on ginger, and I still take the pills. I must be honest. So, no, I said that Friday, no. And before I will call Sister Chinasa will say, come to Yanasat. It's so far from me, you know, because the transport is too much.
Yes.
It's far from me. I know how much I do spend to come. So now, I said, no, I'm not giving out this my medication. Let me tell that lady, I'm not giving out. I will tell her, do you know what you will do? That I called, I said, Sister Chinasa have given us a person who can be picking from trade fair. So I told her that. So I told her, you have given us somebody who can, the stockist must be picking from trade fair. That's it's easy for us. So we should order, even if it's one bottle, order from her. And you will go and pick your stuff from trade fair. That is not going to be a problem for you. Can I continue? Okay, sorry for this. Okay, so she told me this. I said, okay. So it's what I told her, sorry to say that. So I said it's what I'm going to tell her when I see her on Saturday, that I promised to give her one of it. Because I didn't give this out. You see how devil works.
Yes.
I couldn't have taken this. I will go to the nearest and pick up ginger. Still, it doesn't stop my headache. I must be honest with it. I've been taking it every day. I bought a lot of it in my house. Still, it doesn't stop me. So I just take it just for taking sake. Okay, now. I said, no, let me go on Friday. On Friday, last week. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Do you know what happened? I took this because I saw an advert of a guy said, you just take 2 spoons. of it. 2 in the morning, 2 in the night. There's a guy that did an advert that will take 2 in the morning, 2 in the night. Okay. And you start going on your duty. I said, okay, let me open my Harbour Heritage. So I just opened it. I took 1 in the night. I took 2 in the night. I took 2 in the morning. Yeah. I wake up in the morning time. Because I don't mix my headache with it. I cannot, if not, it's a migraine, it's a chronic. I cannot stay. You know, I can't. Do you know what happened? In the morning I wake up. It's like they brought hot water because my headache is at the back.